I don't feel sorry for you. You feel sorry enough for yourself. And that in itself is the fucking problem, is it not? Because we lack the courage to change our situation. And you expect me to feel sorry for you. Hell no. You got a pound over there of your own fucking self-sorrow that you like sucking on and eating on, right? Because excuses, my friends, sound best to those that are making them. Right? And what was the excuse that was given 2 nights ago when Alabama executed a death row inmate by nitrogen? He claimed that it was cruel and unusual punishment. And let's backtrack a little bit. Let's go back to Kevorkian and his great work, where he was assisting those that wanted to end their life because they had Lou Gehrig's disease, right? They had had enough, right? When he started, he used inert gas. That was how he started. And they would put the mask on, and they would breathe in the nitrogen. They'd instantly go unconscious, and they would go on to the Lord. Very peaceful. And so the other night, when they executed the man in Alabama by the same means, he proclaimed it was cruel and unusual punishment. No one asked the victims, the 3 people that he killed, that most likely begged for their lives, that said to him, hey, I've got children, please don't kill me. I've got grandchildren. I've got a wife at home. I've got a daughter that needs me. My family loves me, right? But he went ahead and executed them, and that wasn't cruel and unusual punishment. And what, you're scared of some nitrogen? They were scared for their life. They begged you. I don't feel sorry for you. Not one bit. Matter of fact, I think we need to ramp it up. Right? They said it was a textbook execution, and his family said he suffered. Oh, fucking well. You don't think the victim suffered? You don't think their family suffers today? You don't think that there's pictures of those people that he killed on the hallways, over the hearths and fireplaces in people's homes? That their family members on Christmases don't think about them? I don't feel sorry for you. You feel sorry enough for yourself. You shouldn't have done this shit. And when we come together collectively, when we get past the very small amount of population that's so vocal that thinks that no one has the right to do that, punish people with capital offenses, and we get busy on it, and we make double damn sure that they really did it because we got videotapes of them, let me tell you something. I can solve the human trafficking. I can solve the mass shootings. I can solve all this crap because I want to do it on pay-per-view. And nitrogen will be the easy way out. Because the only way that you deter violence in this country is with more violence. Don't believe me? Go to the penitentiary. I hear you. You want more videos on people that get out from the penitentiary about what to do and how they feel and all that? That's a bunch of bullshit. Let me tell you the truth about the penitentiary. It saved my fucking life. Greatest thing going. It was only when I was in the world that I wasn't disciplined. When I was in the penitentiary, I was disciplined as fuck. Push-ups, running, gunning, eating what I was supposed to be eating, reading it, learning. And so all this bullshit about, I'm out of the penitentiary. Man, I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for yourself. Right? Not saying they ain't hard. Not saying we need to do some things for felon restoration. Not saying that. But if you're going to feel sorry for yourself, then I'm out of the picture. Because I'm the fucking solution. Right? And the solution that holds the penitentiary together, step out if you want to, is the same solution that will keep society in check from doing the most heinous of things and hurting people, innocent people. You don't think it was cruel and unusual for them to beg for their life? Really? It is what it is. And it's a part of the American system. And it's a part of our customs and beliefs. And if you want to hurt people, it's your choice. But we have the choice to hurt you back, especially our children. Fluent English.
Last one. 1.5.